Hello and welcome back to another how-to Django tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and show you how to use the for loop counter to add some ads to your website. Actually, how to add some ads to mastercode.online. And the reason why we do this is to pay for the overhead cost and kind of justify me being away from actually programming to my wife. So that's why we have ads on our website. Anyhow, we're going to show you how to use the for loop counter and the for loop counter divisible by to add some cool ads. So we got an ad here at the top of the page, we got an ad here, and if we add another course, one more course, we should have an ad down here. But we're lacking one course. That's okay, because Google AdSense says you should have no more than 3 ads on your website. Anyhow, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got my course list.html document here. This is what is actually on mastercode.online. So if you take a look at what we want to do here is we want to have an ad before the first object in the loop. Alright, so we need to go ahead and put this if statement for loop counter in the before our other content that we're going to loop through. So what I'm going to do is use an if statement, so curly brace percent symbol, if for loop dot counter is equal to 1, or if for loop first, you can use whatever one you want. Then we're going to do something. We're going to put our ad content in there. So end if, like that. So we got to end our if before our other content. So I'm going to go ahead and just say, hello, I'm an ad. Like that, all right? Because I don't have the actually in development, you can't really get an ad to show up on your site. So you got to kind of make up something. So that's what we're going to do here. So I'm going to go over to my development server, hit return, and I should see something. There we go. All right, I got an ad before the ad before my first for loop. So that's a good start, right? All right. Now the next thing I want to do is we only have 2 courses on our development server, and I'm not going to sit here and write them all out. And so what I want to do is go ahead, and I know this works because I've been doing this way too long. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and say if for loop first, so if it's the first for loop, we're going to throw an ad in there, or if for loop dot counter and then our straight symbol. If anybody knows what that's called, let me know. Straight line symbol. I don't remember what it's called. Anyhow, let me know. Then we're going to say divisible by and then colon 4. So now we're saying if the loop is divisible by 4, so that would be what? 4, 8, 12. If it's divisible by that number, throw an ad in that location, all right, on that loop, all right. So let's go ahead and give that a run. And now I know this is not going to show up in our development server because we only have 2 objects here. So it's only looping technically 3 times because we're showing the ad, but it's only looping 3 times, so it's not going to show that ad. But if we go over to our live site where we actually have this stuff, we hit return or refresh, and then we got our first one, and we count 1, 2, 3, and we got another one, then we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got how many objects? That's what I should have been counting. 1, 2, 3 objects, 4, 5, 6, 7 objects. I missed this one. So we got 7 objects. If we had one more object, we would have another ad down here. But that's how we do it. So take a look at our code one more time. Right in here is where the ad info would go, like so. Oops, where's my? There we go. So we go in there, and that's what it would look like. If you guys have any questions on how to use the for loop counter or the for loop first or divisible by, let us know at mastercode.online. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next how-to Django tutorial. If you guys have any ideas what you want to see, you let me know, and I'll be more than happy to show you. Have a good day.